Hello friends, welcome back to hospitalitynu. In this video we are going to learn how to set a cover for a American breakfast. As the American breakfast includes 5 courses, it is also known as half board breakfast and it is heavier than the continental breakfast. The last video that we did was for continental breakfast. You can watch that video for your reference. So American breakfast include juices, cereals, eggs, breads and preservatives and beverages. So let's see how to set a cover for American breakfast. First of all, we need a juice glass over here. So this will come over here. Next we have cereals. So for the cereals we require a dessert spoon. So it will come onto the top of cover. The next course that we are serving is eggs, and for eggs we require a fish knife and fish fork. So fish knife will come onto the right side and fish fork will come onto the left side of the cover. Check for rule of thumb. You can watch the earlier video of how to set a cover for 3 course, 4 course or a 5 course menu, in which I have explained why the cutlery is coming onto the right and why some cutlery is coming onto the left side. After eggs we are serving breads. So for breads, first of all we need a side plate with side knife. That will be coming onto the left side of the cover. Again check for rule of thumb. Breads will be served in a bread basket. So it will be coming over here in a bread basket. Your restaurant might be serving toasted breads as well. So in that case a toast rack will come onto the cover. With the breads we serve preservatives, and the preservative set include pots for butter, jam, honey, marmalade. So whatever you are serving in your restaurant, you can place them onto the cover. Next we are serving beverages. So for beverages we need a beverage setup. So I am placing a butter dish as well over here. And for beverages, let's suppose I am serving coffee over here. So I need a coffee cup and a coffee spoon. So the handle of cup is at 5 o'clock and the handle of a spoon is at 4 o'clock because it looks more pleasant in appearance, and it is convenient for the guest also to pick up the spoon. And I am placing a coffee pot over here. Along with I am placing a creamer, and I am also placing a sugar pot. So these 3 things are required for the service of coffee. So this is a setup for American breakfast. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.